First of all, I would like to say the voice of the people is truly the voice of God. In future, when you have a truck for the people, for the commoners, for the non-clerk working class, for the non-revelers, that you put the policemen on the side of us with same ropes and let everybody be within the ropes and let them have their tools on the side of them so we can feel like they're there to serve, protect, and reassure. I don't want no policeman behind me with a gun. Anything break out, the pushing and stuff, I don't like that vibration, you see. And I know that it's not about me, but what I'm saying is that if they're there to serve, protect, and reassure us, then I would feel very sweet and comfortable with them holding the ropes with their guns on their side. 50 years of crop over has come a long way, and it was very exciting. It was exciting. Anybody that says it wasn't exciting would be lying. It was very exciting, and even though we had a lot of bands and the bands were big, you had a lot of Netflix and chillers because a lot of people were just like on their phones and walking, and so I got the hype. I got the hype of it all, and always remember, have a safe crop over, have a safe Kadooment, and always remember that the voice of the people is the voice of God.